I want you to know that God is keeping me. Want you to know God is keeping me. I want you to know that God is keeping me. He's blessed me and He's kept me from all harm. So be encouraged. No matter what is going on, God will make it alright. But you gotta stay strong.
Psalms 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever.
Oh, I wanna know, where would I be? Blessed assurance.